Welcome to video part 5, Printing, in this series of eDocs support tutorials. Once you have prepared your document, you can easily preview what the output document is going to look like by using the print function. Click on the print button within the document wizard, select the items that you'd like to have included in your print output, then select Print. Once your document has been prepared, the options available to you are to view in browser, which will open a new tab in your browser for you to preview your document, or select Download, where your document will be automatically saved locally to the Downloads folder on your computer. It will also appear as a PDF in the Downloads banner at the bottom of the page, which you can click on to view your document. If you choose the View in Browser option, and you then want to save this file, you will need to manually select the Save As option in your browser to save the document, and select a folder on your computer to save it to. Previewing your document using these functions is a good opportunity to check the data and values you've entered through the document wizard, and to be sure that everything is as you expect it to be. As eDocs is not a long-term storage facility, it's important that you save your documents locally, regardless of the print option you select, prior to the automated deletion process running, which you can do using these simple print options. More information about the deletion process can be found in video part 10, Deleted Documents. To learn more about eDocs, continue to watch the other videos in this series, or if you need to speak to someone, contact your local Master Builder's office.